Hello, and welcome to another edition of Tutorial Tuesday. This tutorial is the Part 5 installment of our series on the Kentucky Virtual Library. This tutorial will focus on resources for high school students. To get started, go to your browser of choice and go to mcplib.org. Scroll down to the Get Started section and click Online Resources. Scroll down, click on the picture of KYVL, the Kentucky Virtual Library. We'll be using the orange tabs at the top to navigate. And for high school students, you'll click on for K-12 and High. Let's briefly go over some of the resources that are available. To start, click on Academic Search Complete. The username for KYVL is #public. The password does change frequently, so you'll need to contact us to get the most updated password. Once your information is put in, click Login. This page will look familiar to you by the end of this tutorial because a lot of the resources use this same site, but you'll notice at the top where it says Searching, it says Academic Search Complete, which is what we just clicked on. However, you can choose which databases you would like to choose in addition to this. You can click as many as you'd like, and then click OK. And then type in what you're searching for. Do note that there are options underneath for you to help narrow your search downs. Let's do an example. As you type, it will auto-populate with results. Click Search. And you can continue to refine your results using the tools on the left-hand side. You can scroll down to see all of your results in the middle. Let's click on one to check it out. You can download the text on the left, and you have tools on the right to help you. When you're finished using this resource, you can simply close out of the tab. Now let's check out Admissions Test Prep. This uses the LearningExpress resource. You will need to sign in with an account for this resource to keep track of your progress. This is also a free resource of the library. Prepare for your ACT test would probably be a popular choice for most high schoolers. You can see there are lots of tutorials and practice tests. Now let's check out ProQuest Alt Press Watch. They offer you to look through text of independent newspapers and magazines. Let's do a search for electric cars. On the left, you'll notice how you can sort these by. Relevance is by default. I'll choose the most recent. In each article, you can scroll down to read it. You can use the tools in the top right. You can have this in PDF form. And if you go back to your results, you can tweak to what you want using the tools on the left. Next we have Britannica, Annals of American History. This is a good resource if you need to do some research on important historical events from a certain time period. And they have these broken down into times right here on their timeline. Again, use the tools on your left to refine your search. Once you find the article you're looking for, simply click on it. You may read through it, you can email it to yourself, print it, or use the citation. Next we have Britannica School High. This is an excellent encyclopedia resource for doing research on a wide variety of topics. If you know what you need to search for, click in the search box and type it in. Or you may scroll down to look at their options. They have articles broken down by categories. You can also just look for images and videos or biographies. And they also highlight some content as you scroll down the page. As you type in, it will auto-populate results to help you out. You've got your table of contents. The article itself can be read to you. Pictures and videos from this article. And related articles. Next we have ProQuest Career and Technical Edition. This looks the same as the other ProQuest, except this uses the Career and Technical database. If you click Change Databases, you can search by both the AltPress that we used before, or choose some others. When you've finished, click Use Selected Databases. I'll just do a quick search here for Wi-Fi 6. And it looks the same as before. Use the tools on the left to help narrow your results. Articles are in the middle. This one uses a PDF. You can download or print. And you've got tools in the top right to help you out. Next we have Career Preparation. This is another resource that uses LearningExpress. This is a great resource to do more research on specific careers. If you're a high schooler and you're more interested in wanting to learn more about certain fields, you can click Learn More About a Career, and they've got several categories to look at. You could also look into the exams. LearningExpress computer skills. Although there are some pretty low-end and basic learning tools on this site, a couple to note would be the Microsoft Office 365, computer graphics and illustration, and the operating system. Maybe some things that most people aren't familiar with, but those can help you out a lot. The EBSCO eBooks Academic Collection, as well as the Master File Premier, both use the same format as the Academic Search Complete. If you click on any three of them, you'll see that it looks the same except for what we talked about before. It'll search for that particular database. Again, you can click Choose Databases and choose which specific ones you want to search through. Let's check out another encyclopedia resource, Explora for high schools. If you know exactly what you're looking for, you may type it in the search box above, or you can go through their categories below. This is a very similar format to the other databases. You can refine your results using the tools on the left, view and save the articles in the middle, and you'll have tools on the right-hand side. Let's check out Gale and Context Opposing Viewpoints. This is an excellent resource to get different viewpoints on hot topic items. If you know what you are looking for, you can type it in the search box. Or if you want to get some ideas of things to research, I will scroll down to the bottom and click Browse All Issues. And from here, you can look at everything all at once. They are then broken down into different styles of formats. Viewpoints, pictures, news articles, videos, references, websites, all laid out very nice and neat. Let's check on EBSCO LearningExpress. Again, this is another free resource provided by the Muhlenberg County Public Libraries. If you'll click on School Center and then High School, you'll see that you get different areas to study: math, English, science, social studies, technology, and logic and reasoning. Again, you'll want to sign in or register an account with them so that you can keep track of your progress. Now let's try Novelist. This is an excellent resource to find out book recommendations based on your age. Let's check on Teen and 2020 Teen Faves so far. And here's a good list of recommended books. Now let's check out Teebok Cloud. They offer ebooks and graphic novels for you to read online. They have them broken down into categories, and you can click Read Online. I hope that this tutorial has given you a good idea of what types of resources are available for high school students from the Kentucky Virtual Library. If you've enjoyed this tutorial or it has helped you in any way, be sure and let us know on social media. Thanks for watching.